need to go up, Super Truck. Up, up, and up. There he is. Try not to get too close to the flames and hose. Keep calm, Dane. Super Truck is putting the fire out. It'll be over in no time. Dane, are you okay? Is everyone okay? Well done, Super Truck. And you saved the Christmas tree. Merry Christmas, everyone. Careful with fires. Hi, Ben. Are you going toward the city? Ah, to witness the lighting of the Christmas tree? Lucky you. The snow is blocking the way for the baby cars who want to go to the city hall as well. I think it's time to call on Super Truck for some help, don't you think? Hi, Carl. Oh, I see you've received presents from Santa. Ben and 3 baby cars need your help. The snow is blocking the way for them to go to City Hall. Do you know how you could help them? You see, Super Truck? They can't go to City Hall because of the snow. I think you should transform, Super Truck. A bulldozer! Good idea, Super Truck! Now you can get rid of the snow easily! I think Super Truck is finished cleaning now. Some snow is in the middle of the road. We have to clean it properly, don't we, Super Truck? Thank you, Super Truck, but you might want to go to the gathering of the Christmas tree as well. It seems like the inhabitants are waiting for something. Oh yeah, the Christmas tree isn't lit. Super Truck, can you help with the star? A helicopter propeller? Excellent idea, Super Truck! There we go! You can put it right now. You saved the situation again, Super Truck. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas!